Welcome to episode 3 of Durango Electro-Culture. In this episode, we build the electromagnetic engine. 2 magnets and 36 inches of 16 gauge copper wire. And there you have it. Now do that many more times. And there it is. Simple. And that, of course, is the grounded antenna array. Next week, we will be installing the resonator.